Alright, well, we still got like 10 minutes. Let's do some
Guys, we need to do a booty shake. So I thought we were going to put it.
Ready?
On 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh my
Alright, I got one, but it's loud.
I have one.
We're not holding anybody up.
Alright. So everybody, repeat energetically after me. This is most specific. Good. Alright, everybody. Are you ready to do the chainsaw?
Are you ready to do the chainsaw?
Yes, I'm ready to do the chainsaw.
Yes, I'm ready to do the chainsaw.
Pick up the chainsaw.
Pick up the chainsaw.
Cut down the tree.
Cut down the tree.
I said cut down the tree.
Cut down the tree.
Open up the manhole.
Open up the manhole.
Open up the manhole.
Open up the manhole.
Climb out the manhole.
Climb out the manhole.
Climb out the manhole.
Climb out the manhole.
Walking out of Kmart. Waving to our friends.
Waving to your friends.
Walking out of Kmart.
Walking out of Kmart.
Waving to our friends.
Waving to our friends.
And that's the chainsaw.
That's the chainsaw. Oh, should we start the chainsaw first? No.
I've got to start the chainsaw.
You just want to know.